All right, y'all, it's that time of year and you are setting goals. So I'm going to show you how to reach your goals. So last year I went over my goals and a lot of them I did not make. But the ones I did make, there was some like 5 things I had in common with them. There were 5 things I did on all of those ones that I actually made. So I'm going to show you, I made this quick presentation to show you how to reach your goals based on what I learned from last year. All right, let's go. First of all, make goals and write them down. It actually works. Writing goes down, not by themselves, but writing goes down actually gives you a better chance of making the goals versus just not writing them down and having goals, right? So that's just number one. Right, actually write them down, right? So I have it right here. Write them down. But also review them daily, right? So make your goals, write them down, review them daily. And don't do too many of them. And make them quarterly. Instead of doing for the whole year, make quarterly goals and check on them weekly. All right. This is going to be a fast video. I'm not trying to keep y'all long. Number 2, when you write your goals down and you check on them, make sure you look at the progress of them. Weekly prioritize what's important and make sure you like label them with like red, yellow, and green. If you're failing on them, let yourself know. Be crucial. Be hard on yourself, right? If you're doing well, green, keep it going, right? So this other thing right here, wish outcome obstacle plan. Wish is kind of like when you write down your goals and all of that, and then the outcome, what you really want to happen as a result of you like reaching your goal. So a lot of people focus on those two, but what I want to focus on right now, the number 3 and number 4, the obstacle. So you have to plan for your obstacle. Plan for something to happen. You may run out of time. You may run out of ideas. You may run out of people. Whatever it is, plan for that obstacle. Have a strategy for when that obstacle happens, you can do something about it. Most people, when the obstacle comes, then that just kills everything. But plan for your obstacle. All right, what's next? We're almost done. Tie your goals to an identity. So if you want to write a book, claim yourself as a writer or an author, right? If you want to start running, you're not just running, you become a runner. So tie whatever it is you want to do to an identity, right? You want to be the baddest, hacker on the planet. You want to hack something, you become a hacker. You do what hackers do. And the reason why I say that is because I'm in cybersecurity, and so I use these things as it relates to my profession as well. These things worked for me last year, so I wanted you to know these things as well. Stay consistent. Define yourself. Define yourself as a high performer. Don't define yourself as a procrastinator, right? So define yourself. You're a runner now. You are a health nut. You are whatever it is you want. You become that identity. And don't overload your goals. I say have only 3 at most. 3 goals. Nothing more than that. And do the things that I just mentioned. And I guarantee you, you will make it. It will work for you. Let's review, set clear goals, track progress, visualize success, plan for the obstacles. That's really important. Most people don't do that. And embody your goals, right? Become what you want to accomplish. That's it. I'm Ron Wilkie. Let's go. Boom.